Statements begin today in the murder trial of Brian Walshe. He is the Cohasset, Massachusetts man accused of killing and dismembering his wife in 2023.
The trial is expected to last up until the anniversary of her disappearance. Joe Cortez is live outside Norfolk Superior Court in Dedham with what we can expect.
Well, Kay Patrick, good morning. This case has had a lot of different changes throughout. Back before the jury was selected, Brian Walshe pleaded guilty to 2 charges, and that was misleading police as well as improper handling of human remains. But he has maintained his innocence when it comes to the murder charge, and that's something legal experts are trying to figure out as we head into this case and kind of find out where this trial is headed. Now, prosecutors accuse Walshe of killing his wife, Anna, who was believed to have been having an affair, then dismembering her body, which was never found. Now, Anna Walshe was last seen on January 1st of 2023. Brian Walshe has since been in jail after his arrest, while also serving for an unrelated art fraud case. Now, in September, a judge said he was stabbed in jail and had to undergo a mental health evaluation, but today we'll see the trial kick off with opening statements. Legal experts say it'll be interesting to see how both sides present their case and who will testify.
You have to be safe and careful if you're going to put a client on the stand. This does not seem, to me at least, like one of those kinds of cases.
One of the elements of murder in the first degree is that the defendant caused the death of another human being. In this case, we have no direct evidence as to who or what caused the death of Anna Walshe.
Brian Walshe's trial is expected to last a few weeks, but stay with 12 News. We'll bring you updates throughout the day and throughout this case. Reporting live in Dedham, I'm Joe Cortez, 12 News.
Later this morning, opening statements are set to begin in the murder trial of Brian Walshe, the Massachusetts man accused of killing his wife Anna in 2023.
So jury selection wrapping up last month. Today they'll be back in court hearing from both sides in this high-profile case. Joe Cortez is at the courthouse this morning in Dedham with the latest.
Well, Patrick, good morning. 16 jurors were selected in late November. There are 4 alternates, and they'll be back in the courtroom today, ready to hear both sides present their case. Now, the prosecutors say that they'll be presenting photo and video evidence along with items recovered from the Swampscott dumpster near Brian Walshe's mother's home. Those items include a rug, a necklace, and a watch, all said to contain Anna Walshe's DNA. Now, the judge has also approved testimony from a friend of Anna Walshe about a dispute between the couple just days before she was last seen. Brian Walshe has already pleaded guilty to misleading police and to improper handling of human remains, but maintains a not guilty plea on the murder charge. Now, legal experts note that because Anna's body was never found, prosecutors must first prove a murder occurred before they can argue that Brian is responsible.
I do suspect that there's going to be a pivot. That pivot could have occurred without the change of plea. That's what puzzles me. But I think there's going to be a pivot that somehow Anna died, whether it be by accident or by her own hand or something that has nothing or little to do with the defendant.
Now, prosecutors say this trial could last a matter of 3 or 4 weeks, but a judge has already set the trial to continue into next year if need be. Stay with 12 News. We'll have the latest throughout the day. Reporting live in Dedham, I'm Joe Cortez, 12 News.